everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 2419 Fall Harvest in Pickering. That's right, we're in Pickering and we've got this awesome freehold townhouse, just over 1,600 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Why don't you guys go around, take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, what'd you guys think about this home? It's awesome, right? There's no reason to think it's not. It's got this amazing long driveway, no sidewalk, great curb appeal. You guys have to check this out in person. For that reason, my contact information is gonna be on the screen, and I encourage you to call me, send me a text, and let me show you this property in person. Until next time guys, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.